In a realm between worlds, where time moved slowly and the skies shimmered in hues unknown to mortals, an angel named Seraphiel and a devil called Azeroth met at the crossroads of eternity. The crossroads was a sacred place, the only point where heaven and hell could intersect, and only under the strictest of circumstances. Seraphiel, with her golden wings and radiant aura, stood for all that was pure. She was one of the brightest angels in the celestial choir, known for her compassion and unwavering commitment to the light. On the other hand, Azeroth was a devil of great renown, with jet black wings and a shadowy presence that seemed to dim the stars above. He thrived in chaos, his very being forged from the fires of rebellion and sin. They had been summoned to the crossroads for a reason that neither fully understood. There had been whispers among the divine and the damned alike, the balance of light and shadow was tipping dangerously, threatening to unravel the fabric of existence. Both sides blamed each other, as was customary. But here, at this mystical juncture, it was clear that their fates were intertwined. "Do you know why we're here, Angel?" Azeroth's voice was smooth, almost mocking, but beneath it, there was a trace of curiosity. Seraphiel glanced at him, her expression calm but wary. "The balance has been disturbed. It is said that neither heaven nor hell can fix it alone. We are here to find a solution." Azeroth chuckled darkly. "A solution? How very optimistic of you." The tension between them crackled in the air, but it was not a tension of hate. It was a tension of destiny. As they stood in silence, the ground beneath them began to shift. The crossroads, once stable, started to fracture. Light and darkness swirled together in a chaotic dance, as if the world itself was tearing apart. Suddenly, a voice echoed from the void, a voice neither angelic nor demonic, but something ancient and powerful. "The balance is broken because both of your realms have forgotten one truth: neither light nor darkness can exist without the other. It is time for you to remember." Seraphiel's eyes widened in realization, and she looked at Azeroth, who seemed equally startled. "We've been fighting for so long," she murmured. "But what if we are supposed to work together?" Azeroth narrowed his eyes. "You think an angel and a devil can restore balance? That's madness." "Perhaps," Seraphiel replied, her wings fluttering softly. "But what if it's the only way?" The ground continued to shake, and the voice grew louder. "Choose, now. Restore the balance, or watch all worlds crumble into nothingness." With no other choice, Seraphiel extended her hand toward Azeroth. "Together." Azeroth hesitated, his pride warring with the strange pull of fate he felt deep within. But in that moment, he knew what had to be done. With a reluctant nod, he took her hand. The moment their hands touched, a blinding light and a suffocating darkness erupted around them, swirling together in perfect harmony. The crossroads began to stabilize, the fractures sealing, as the realms of heaven and hell aligned in a fragile, yet essential equilibrium. As the light and darkness faded, Seraphiel and Azeroth stood together, neither triumphant nor defeated, but changed. The crossroads had been saved, and with it, the balance of existence. Yet, as they parted ways, they both understood something deeper, that light and shadow were not enemies but necessary counterparts, forever bound by the same cosmic thread. And though they returned to their respective realms, Seraphiel and Azeroth knew that they would meet again, not as foes, but as guardians of the balance that held all things in place.